Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You've logged in and you're ready to start. First, add your data source and test it. This ensures queries will return data. Once the connection is green, create a new dashboard and drop an empty panel onto the canvas. Now, pick the panel type you need, graph, table, or gauge, so you know the visual goal. Make sure to set the panel title immediately. It guides query choices. Save early with a short name and proceed to craft the actual queries. Next, focus on building meaningful panels. You'll write queries tuned to the time range, adding aggregations and group by time, 1M or a suitable interval for clarity. Once done, introduce variables to let you switch hosts, regions, or services quickly. Test with 2 or 3 sample values. Apply transformations to join or calculate fields, then set thresholds and unit formatting, milliseconds, percent, degrees, to make the data readable at a glance. Finally, tweak panel layout and size for a clean dashboard flow. Finish by saving a stable version and adding tags and a helpful description so others find it. Configure alerts with clear conditions and link notification channels. Set sensible mute times to avoid alert fatigue. Share the dashboard link or export the JSON for reuse and explain how to refresh variables and time ranges. If queries show no data, check data source permissions and time range first. This is the key troubleshooting tip. Validate the data source and time window before changing complex queries, because most issues start there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.